Hello everyone. So as I said in my last video, I will be showing you how to download and install OpenModelica in your system successfully. I will search OpenModelica and this is the first website you will be getting. So you have to click on it and this is the home page of OpenModelica website where you can see basic information about OpenModelica, that it's a open source Modelica based modeling and simulation environment. And you can see how to learn OpenModelica. So like, to learn about Modelica you can go through book tutorial, or you can also see online spoken tutorials, interactive open Modelica web book. Then there is also textbook companions and this Jupyter notebook in Modelica mode, which you can use and learn. So you can read about this, and then you can also read about latest news and events. So we will go for download. If you are using Windows, Linux, Mac, Docker, virtual machine, nightly builds, you can download in any form. I'm using Windows system, so I will be downloading it for Windows. So these are how you can download. This is the official release, so we will be downloading latest official release. Here you can also see a box which says, please consider supporting our efforts. So if you are capable of donating them, then you can donate. It accepts this amount of currency, so you can donate in any form and help them. They are doing great work. So this is 1.26.2 version of OpenModelica. We will go on download, and this is the page you will be getting. So this is for 64-bit system. We have to click on it, and these are the files which it contains. So this is changelog.txt, which is a text file which can open and read about all the changes which has been done in OpenModelica. It says all about them. And then there is a readme file, which is also a text file which you can read and know about OpenModelica and some basic instructions about it. And then we have to download this one, which is .exe, which is for application. So it's 1.5 GB file. So if you click on it, it will start downloading. Okay. So 1.5 GB. I will pause it because I have already downloaded it. I will show you. So it's here, this one. I have already downloaded it. I had already installed it, but I have uninstalled it to show you how to install it properly again. So we will click on it. So yeah, the OpenModelica is installed successfully, and this is the first window which you will be getting once OpenModelica installation is done. There is a checkbox which you have to click, and this will automatically get open. So this is the user interface of OpenModelica, and in that you have to open your project and start working on it. So you can create your project by clicking on create new Modelica class, and you can give it a name, like first circuit. So this doesn't accept spaces, so you have to use underscore for that, and you can click here. And this is the window which you will be getting, and you can place your paths here. So from electrical you can choose analog paths, like resistor, capacitor, or anything, and you can create your first circuit. So in my next video I will be showing you how to create your first project, and in that first circuit how to make the connections and how to simulate it and see the waveforms. And there's a lot of the things which you can do. I will be showing you step by step. So let's meet in the next video. If you find this video helpful, you can like the video, and if you have any comments, you can let me know in the comment section, and I will reply you. So I will also show you what all you get along with OpenModelica installation. So you can see OpenModelica is installed, and in that you get OpenModelica Meta Programming Guide. It's a PDF document which you can read. Modelica tutorial by Peter Fritson, and you can read it. It's a PDF file, and you get system guide. You get OpenModelica user guide. You get OpenModelica user guide, and you get OpenModelica connection editor. You get OpenModelica notebook. You get OpenModelica optimization editor, and OpenModelica shell. And by clicking on this, you can also visit OpenModelica website. So these are all the things which you get along with OpenModelica connection editor. This is called OpenModelica connection editor. every time you have to open this when you want to create a circuit and simulate it.